Are you struggling to keep your AI characters consistent in Google's VEO 3? You're not alone, and today I've got the solution you've been waiting for. If you've ever tried to make a series of videos with the same character in VEO 3, you've probably hit a wall. One moment your actor has brown eyes and a red jacket, the next they're blonde in a tuxedo. It's frustrating, especially when you're building a brand, a story, or just trying to maintain continuity across multiple videos. But here's the good news. Mastering character consistency in VEO 3 is totally possible, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. From crafting smart prompts to using AI references and clever workflow tricks, I'll walk you through everything I've learned step by step. Don't have access to VEO 3 yet? No worries. Just click the suggested video at the top of your screen or check the description below. I have linked a full tutorial on how to get unlimited access to VEO 3 completely free. Before we dive in, take a quick look at a few short clips I created using this method.
Wow, look at the incredible herd of elephants gathering over by the waterhole. I can't believe I'm this close to a majestic lion in its habitat. Ooh! This is a truly breathtaking moment, something I have always dreamed of seeing. The raw, untamed beauty of the South African wilderness is absolutely so unreal.
Notice how the characters stay the same in every scene? Same face, same outfit, same voice, and same style. That's the kind of consistency you're about to unlock. So stick with me to the end, because once you learn this process, your videos are going to look polished, professional, and incredibly cohesive. Let's get into it. The first and most important step in creating consistent characters with VEO 3 is crafting the right prompts. Prompts are how you communicate with the AI. It's what helps VEO understand exactly who your character is, what they look like, how they behave, and even what kind of mood they should carry. A strong, detailed prompt gives you control. Instead of vague descriptions like, a woman in a dress, you'll need to be specific. A confident African woman in her 30s, with short curly hair, wearing a yellow sundress and glasses, smiling warmly. The more precise you are, the better your results. Now, let's dig a little deeper. When it comes to VEO 3, the more context you give in your prompt, the more consistent and accurate your character becomes. Think of it like giving a costume designer, makeup artist, and casting director all their instructions at once. You want to cover the character's appearance, age, skin tone, hairstyle, outfit, body type, their personality, confident, shy, mysterious, and even the emotional tone or role they play in the scene. A fearless leader, a curious teen, a gentle healer. Here's a tip. Always lock down core traits that you'll repeat across your prompts. For example, if your actor is a tall man in his 40s with a neatly trimmed beard and a calm, serious face, use that exact phrase or a slight variation in every scene. This repetition trains VEO to see that as your character's identity. Also, describe the setting and camera style clearly. If your character is always in a moody, low-lit room with a cinematic close-up, say it. The more layers of detail you provide, the less room the AI has to improvise, and the more control you'll have over character consistency. It all starts with the prompt. Nail that, and you're halfway there. Enough of the theory. Now let me show you exactly how I generate perfect prompts using Google Gemini. When it comes to crafting prompts for VEO 3 videos, I've found that Gemini consistently delivers the most detailed and reliable results. Let's say I want to create a video of an American vlogger exploring game parks in South Africa. Here's the prompt I would use. Using the guide below, create a comprehensive base prompt for generating a video of a 24-year-old American vlogger touring game parks in South Africa. After writing the base prompt, include 4 different dialogue options, each exactly 13 words long. Guidelines for the base prompt. Describe the character's appearance, age, skin tone, hairstyle, outfit, and body type. Their personality traits, e.g., confident, shy, mysterious, and the emotional tone or role they play in the scene, such as a fearless leader, curious explorer, or gentle observer. Also, be sure to include details about the setting and camera style to help create a vivid and consistent video. Depending on your use case, you can always tweak this prompt to fit your specific needs. Whether you're creating an action scene, a documentary-style vlog, or something totally experimental, just adjust the details accordingly. You can even ask Gemini or ChatGPT to modify the prompt based on your target scenario. But in my case, I'm keeping it simple. I'll just paste the base prompt as is, hit generate, and see what Gemini comes up with. Gemini will instantly generate a comprehensive prompt for you, as you can see on your screen. This prompt usually includes several key elements that are crucial for getting the best results in Google VEO 3. This complete package helps VEO 3 fully understand the kind of video you're aiming for. And the more detailed your prompt, the more realistic, consistent, and polished your final output will be. Now, copy your prompt and paste it somewhere safe. I'm using a Microsoft Word document for easy access. Next, head over to Google Flow. This is where we'll use VEO 3 to actually generate our video. Once inside, select Text to Video, then click on the Settings icon. Under Model Selection, choose VEO 3 Fast. It only costs 20 credits compared to VEO 3 Quality, which costs 100 credits. So it's perfect for testing scenes quickly. Now, go back to your document, copy the base prompt only, don't include any dialogue yet, and paste it into Google Flow. Here's the trick. Scroll to the part of the prompt that describes your main character. At the end of that paragraph, type "she says" or "he says," depending on your character. Now return to your document, copy the first dialogue line and paste it inside double quotation marks right after. She says. That completes the first scene setup. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your first video is on the way. Let's preview it.
Wow, look at the incredible herd of elephants gathering over by the waterhole. Wow, look at the incredible herd.
See how realistic it looks, especially the character details? That's the power of using detailed prompts combined with Gemini and VEO 3. Click the download button to save it to your device. Now let's move to the next scene. Click Reuse Prompt on the first video, just like you see here. This time, go to your document and copy the second dialogue line. Replace the first dialogue in the prompt with the second one. Everything else should stay exactly the same. Click Generate again and wait a few seconds. Now let's preview the second scene.
Close to a majestic lion in its habitat. Ooh!
Notice something amazing? The character hasn't changed at all. Same face, same outfit, same energy. That's how we achieve character consistency across multiple video scenes. To make each scene even more dynamic, feel free to tweak the camera angle or shot type. Just don't touch the character description. That's the key to keeping your actor consistent. Repeat this process for the rest of your scenes. Once all your clips are ready, you can bring them together in a video editor. I personally use CapCut because it's simple and beginner-friendly. Now, open CapCut, start a new project, and import all the clips we created with VEO 3 inside CapCut. Begin by arranging your scenes in the correct order. Scale it up to cover any watermark. Trim any parts that feel too long or repetitive. Then, add smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow seamless. You can also enhance your video with sound effects, background music, or text overlays. This is where your final ad starts to come to life as a polished, engaging piece. Once everything looks just right, go ahead and hit the Export button. Choose your preferred resolution. 1080p is usually perfect for sharp, professional quality results. CapCut will render the full video into one clean, finished file, ready to download or share wherever you need. And just like that, you've created a polished, consistent multi-scene video with AI. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. It really helps support the channel and keeps us motivated to create more content like this.